Hello friend, good evening everybody. Today I'll make dark night. How to make dark night? I'll show all recipe. This is the gin infused. This gin. This strawberry infused gin. See, you can check that fresh in strawberry. And I put some mango juice also. This is lime juice, and this is the black syrup. I made is a homemade black. This is homemade black syrup, and I put some strawberry crush also. So I take first that strawberry, gin infused strawberry. I do the model. And put some strawberry crush, 30 ml. Model nicely model. Now I put this 60 ml gin, strawberry infused gin, 30 ml mango juice, 20 ml lime juice, not 30, 20 ml lime juice. Some ice and nicely shake. Single stem, not a double stem. Cut. Strawberry, this powdered strawberry for the garnish.